Ah,
Oh
that's
shit.
hot.
Here we go
That's hot.
again.
Hey, people, Kiera here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're gonna continue our process of making using the $25 all-in-one digital business, and making money with it using my lead gen secrets. All right, I think this is day 23, I believe. I'm not entirely sure, but we're gonna keep it going and see what happens. So far, we got 3 sales, and this is recurring income, 80% recurring income, so it's very, very good. Yeah, that's how we're doing so far. All right, so let's get to it here. As you know, with the all-in-one $25 digital business, the reason why it's so lucrative is because it's 80% recurring commissions. 80%. Not only is it 80%, it's 80% recurring commissions. That means you get 80% commissions every single month. A lot of systems don't work like that. A lot of systems, the highest you'll see is like maybe 30, 33, 35% recurring commissions. That's the highest I've seen. 80 is ridiculous, and you only need 2 people in the system to make a huge profit. Start making profits right away. So anyway, let's keep it moving. So far I have 3, so we're gonna keep on going from that step. All right, so we're gonna log into my lead gen secrets here. Got to already be logged in, so y'all won't have to see this part, but whatever. Okay, we in the system, we're looking at it. Boom. Now what we've been doing is just making emails here ourselves. Okay, so we're gonna go with we're gonna make our own email from what we see here. So we're just gonna scroll down a bit here. Let's see. It's too long. I thought it was. Wasn't sure. Get up to. I think this copy. Let's go with this. We'll go with this for the title here. Yeah, I like that. All right, now let's do perfect timing. Let's come up with a. Copy right here. All right, so we're just gonna paste this. Make it normal. Make the front 14, I think. Just want to go ahead and get it all to. That's just one sale, guys. All right, just one sale, turn the center. Okay, so we're gonna get the next one here, just 2 sales and blah blah blah. We're gonna do. I think I'm gonna do all 3. Now what? Let's do just 3 sales real. Yep. Boom. All right. Copy. I think people want to read a potential of making money over anything else. So I think people really want to see. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna normal here, current size 14. Get it over here. Another space. Okay, there you go. Oh my, that's my keyboard. My keyboard acting up, guys. Sorry about that. I was wondering what was going on. Started now. All right, so that's it. That's the email. We're just gonna talk about how much money you can make. Let's just do that. All right, so what y'all guys want to do, y'all want to come to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter here. This is this page here. So yeah, that's the one y'all want to go to. I bought a domain for it, and you know, made it a page myself. So I use this instead to make it look a little cleaner. Incomespeech.com. Okay, so we're gonna put that in. I'm gonna put it right there. Bold it. And we're just gonna copy paste really, and make sure to hit perfect timing. So perfect timing, do. Okay, let's bold this. This. Yeah, look, we'll bold this. I think it's a good idea. This. And these two as well. I think that's. Yeah, that looks good. All right. So let's hit preview here. Start it now. All right, so that works. I don't like the color that it, so. Let's change the color here. Oh no, that's not it. Not it. Hold up. All right, so that should be. Let's make it. It looks a little weird, so I'm trying to fix it. Make this a little bigger. Right, so boom, we're pretty much done. You know what? Let's make it blue. All right, that looks pretty good. I want to go with that. All right, so that's our email, guys. We already wrote it, so we're gonna send it just like that. All right, and once that's done here, I'm gonna copy paste. Once you go to your next account here, so to go to our next account, we'll hit this, make a tab, new account tab, so we can copy paste. We're gonna log out on this tab instead, and then we're gonna log in on this tab. Simple as that. That way we can just copy and paste everything on the new account. Very simple, very easy. There we go. Okay, everything is working out pretty well in that email. Now, once this email is sent, we'll go to a third account. So we're using 3 accounts. Remember that. All right, so we're gonna log out here. Log in on third account here. Go to it. Boom, boom. This. Copy paste. Do the same thing here. All right, and there you go, guys. We're done. That's about all there is to it, guys. With all the emails there. Right, so as you can see, man, you can make a ton of money off of this. 80% commissions is ridiculous, guys. There's not another affiliate system. 80%. You might find 80% commissions. You might can find 80% commissions. It's not that many, but you might can find 80% commissions. But you would never find 80% recurring commissions. I promise you that. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.